जो विजन बोर्ड मैं अभी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, कभी सोचा नहीं था लाइफ में दैट ये मैं गलती से कुछ बहुत अच्छा पेंट कर देती हूँ. Manifesting a lot of travel, me for me. So I really want to paint that 2026 and be a great woman. Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about what I am aiming for in 2026. So since it's January, I have been seeing everyone already make their vision board, etc. I may be a little late, but yeah, better late than never. So I have collected a bunch of pictures through Pinterest, and here they are. And I want you guys to come with me through this journey, because obviously you guys have always been there with me throughout. I know you guys will always be there with me throughout. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो vision board मैं अभी create कर रही हूँ, I want you guys to remember this video, and I also want to kind of come back to this video and be like कि हाँ, मैंने अपने vision board पे ये चीज़ लिखी थी या फिर ये चीज़ का picture लगाया था और वो चीज़ आज मेरी पूरी हो रही है. That's why I'm making this video. So it is super emotional for me and super special for me, and I want you guys to come with me through this journey because yeah, I mean, you guys have just been my support and my family throughout. So I'm really excited to take you guys through this journey. So let's begin. Here are some pictures. Some pictures are being cut right now, and yeah, let's start. Okay, so like I said, vision boards are something जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं बनाए हैं, because honestly कभी सोचा नहीं था लाइफ में that ये करना है, वो करना है, या फिर ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. God's just been so kind that without any plans, life has just been amazing and beautiful. So, but this year I wanted to personally make a vision board because this year has been life-changing. I mean, 2025 has been life-changing. So many different things happened in life, so many changes, letting go, accepting new things and stuff like that. So this video is damn personal for me, guys, like damn personal. And at first I was a little reluctant कि मैं बनाऊँ ये video या नहीं बनाऊँ, because it's so personal. But then, okay. तो सबसे पहले I think I should stick this picture here. It's a bungalow with a cozy garden, and this is my vision for 2026. I want my own cute little bungalow, not too far off from Bombay, because obviously I'm a Bombay girl, I'm a city girl. And so yeah, as I said, this is the first thing on my wish list, vision board, whatever. So let's stick it, guys. It's Jan and Ramzan starts in Feb, so like I'm manifesting Umrah during Ramzan. So yeah, here we go. Manifesting great work. Like I love being this person when I'm walking on the road, when people come and recognize me. I love that feeling. So yes, obviously manifesting more work and more glam, more cameras, more paparazzis, and yeah. Then we have lots of money, guys. I am someone who believes that yes, money is very important, and it's something that we should definitely work towards. This bag has a story. January 1st, 2025 मैंने ये बैग दुबई मॉल में देखा था, and मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, but for some reason I couldn't buy it that time. And so I'm manifesting this bag now this year, because ये एक साल से I've been working towards it, but मैंने खरीदा नहीं है. So this is definitely, it tops my vision board list. Yeah, I've been really wanting to learn a sport, and I thought that badminton or tennis would be like the perfect choice. So I'm manifesting to learn this sport this year. बहुत टाइम से मैं सीखना चाहती थी, but पहले क्या होता था ना, like I recently got my LASIK done, and मुझे बहुत मोटे चश्मे रहे बचपन से. तो जब मेरे साथ दोस्त खेलते थे, तो जब वो मारते थे तो मुझे शटल कॉक दिखती ही नहीं थी, मतलब हवा में कहीं गुम हो जाती थी मेरे लिए, बिकॉज मेरी आई साइट इतनी वीक थी. I want to go to Disneyland. So yes, I really want to. So I actually want to go to Disneyland on my birthday. So I'm sitting here manifesting that next birthday, I mean like this birthday, I am going to be in Disneyland celebrating my birthday. So yeah, here it is. Then what do we have? Then also yes, I want to learn how to paint. It is Trust me, it's a hidden talent, okay? I am not bluffing. It's a hidden talent because कभी-कभी मैं गलती से कुछ बहुत अच्छा paint कर देती हूँ. Though all my inspirations till now have. So this goes here. Then of course, I am someone who I pray. I ask everything from God. So yes, praying plays a very, very, very important part. It's my life basically. It's not a part of my life. It's my life. Like praying is my life. Like I'm praying non-stop. So obviously like prayers. Like you should be delusional with God is what I'm trying to tell you. Like I'm very delusional with God. Like मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे वो भी चाहिए, मुझे 10 दिन के अंदर ये चाहिए. So yeah, that. And I also want to travel. I want to go to Italy. I want to go to Rome. So yes, I'm also manifesting a lot of travel this year, and Rome tops the list even before Disneyland actually. So yeah, it goes here. Then we have, what do we have? Then also I want to go to London. Like I said, I really like the traveler in me just wants to travel a lot. So yes, traveling to London is also there on my wish list this year. Okay, so this ring, I know it looks like an engagement ring. No, I'm not telling you guys that I want to get married this year or get engaged this year. But this ring actually has a meaning. It's called a Twymore ring, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. So it means you and I, though it's a ring which like obviously आपके partner को आपको देनी चाहिए, but मेरी life में कोई है नहीं. But this ring just caught my attention the moment I saw it, and मुझे तब से ये ring चाहिए. So I mean like I will change the meaning of this ring and be like it's me for me. So this is there, this is there, this is like. Then also I want to go and just experience the winter in Kashmir. So hopefully next year I would be in Kashmir celebrating New Year's. No, actually I can go to Kashmir in like Feb and March as well because it's going to be quite cold. So manifesting mountains, I've become a mountain girl. अगर यही आप मुझसे 2 महीने पहले vision board बनाने बोलते, then it would have been all beaches. But now, okay, this is something I'm really excited because it's been a dream ever since I did this first when I was shooting for Ashoka, my show. तब मैंने हॉर्स राइडिंग की थी और मुझे तब से मन है कि मैं प्रोफेशनली हॉर्स राइडिंग सीखूँ. लाइक आई वांट टू बी रियली good at it. So hopefully this year I will learn how to do horse riding. More books. I want to read more books. So I used to be an avid reader, but I don't know, like I just lost touch. Few things happen in life here and there, and I just like kind of got distant. Okay, this I'm just sticking. I don't want to explain too much what it is. I really don't want to. I just like, yeah. Actually, I don't even want to stick this because it's just something too personal. Like, मुझे नजर लग जाएगी उस बात का डर है. I'm manifesting a Rolex this year. It's. I mean, the day I buy this, I know I am just gonna cry. Like I'm gonna cry like a baby because. Not because it's like I'm buying something too expensive or something, but because it holds a story, it has a story. And the day I buy it, it'll be a special day for many reasons. Maybe that time I'll tell you what are the reasons, but yeah, it'll just make me very, very, very emotional. Then okay guys, this is also a part of my vision board because most of the times I am dehydrated. Okay, so recently I was dehydrated to a point where I had to be hospitalized because my body was really dehydrated. So I was given like 3 drips and next day I had a shoot. तो shoot पे भी डॉक्टर को एक नर्स को भेजना पड़ा था मुझे सलाइन चढ़ाने के लिए because my body was so dehydrated and yeah, I was like fainting. I've been a gym girly, so hopefully I will continue being one. So I'm just gonna make sure that workout is there on my vision board because आज से पहले मैंने कभी gym इतना seriously किया भी नहीं था. मेरे लिए gym इतना important भी नहीं था. But अब है. So yeah, a black G-Wagon. It's a dream to buy a black G-Wagon. I mean like there are a lot of dream cars that I have, but I mean like this year I really want to buy a G-Wagon. Like vision board देख के सोच रहे होंगे that I really like have to earn a lot of money, like in crores, like crores and crores of money to fulfill half of the things that I am sticking on this G-Wagon. But like I said, you know, जब ऊपर वाले से मांगो तो छप्पड़ फाड़ के मांगो, बिकॉज मिलता है, ट्रस्ट में मिलता है. एंड या दिस ओके, बहुत कम जगह बची है विजन बोर्ड पे. If we are gonna overlap it, I want a white Mini Cooper, and yeah, like I just want a white Mini Cooper, and it's a gift. So obviously इतना सब मैं अगर चाहती हूँ खरीदना, उसके लिए मुझे काम भी करना पड़ेगा. So I'm manifesting to be on film sets, web sets more. So yeah, this goes. Okay, I can stick this here. Yeah, I think we're through. Like you can see, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी भी बाकी हैं मेरे विजन बोर्ड की, because like I said, विजन बहुत बड़ा है मेरा. But yeah, these are the things that tops the list, and I'm hoping that 2026 I am able to fulfill all these visions and visualize all these visions with my eyes. So yeah, and trust me guys, each and every picture that's there on this board is very personal. It's something that means a lot to me, because I mean, like 16 years down the line, I was just a girl with a lot of dreams, and I'm very grateful to be where I am today, for the love that I receive, for the projects that I do, for the trust that people have in me, the love that people have for me. It really means a lot, and I just I mean, like, I'm running out of words now because I'm getting emotional. Like even when I was making this vision board, I was very emo about it. But yeah, ये मेरा विजन है, और मैं चाहूँगी कि जब जब मैं इन में से कोई भी एक एक चीज़ पूरी करूँ, आप लोगों को मेरे उस सपने की अहमियत पता हो. And yeah, I'm just hoping to fulfill all my dreams. And here's to all the little girls out there who are watching this video. I just want to tell you that believe in yourself. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching, guys. And जब जब इनमें से एक एक चीज़ मैं पूरी करूँगी, I will try to document it, ताकि जो मेरे सपने हैं उन सपनों पे मैं आपको अपने साथ लेके चल सकूँ. So thank you for watching, and I love you guys so much. Happy New Year. Have a rocking, amazing year. May God fulfills all your dreams. I wish you all good health, love, and yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. I always forget to say this. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.